What's good, everybody? Back again with another Pathfinder accessory. This one's probably one of the more exciting ones. It's going to be one of the more involved ones also. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Alright, packaging is damaged. Like, really damaged. I'm not too concerned about that, but that's just something for me to be mindful of, I suppose. So this is, if I can even open it all the way, this is an electric fan conversion kit. And I don't even know if they gave me the whole set because the front cover is missing. Not sure if it's supposed to be like that. I think it's supposed to be like that, so I think we're good. This looks really sketch. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. Okay, so it's reversible. It's a 16-inch model. And it just clips right to the radiator. Using the mounting kit. I got an extra mounting kit, as you guys saw down there, just in case this one gives me any problems. See, a spade connector kit. A temperature probe. A few crimps. Rings. Relay kit. Circuit breaker, you know, fuse tap, and yeah, pretty much everything I need. I'm just hoping like this doesn't need a cover or anything, so I think I'm good there, because I thought I saw another cover on the side, but no, I should be fine. It's the connector. All I have to do is just set up the connector to the relay by the looks of it. Looks like the wires are already color coded, so all I have to do is just tap the wires into the plug and I'm good. So thank you guys for watching this. I might as well show you guys the installation process in a future video. And thank you guys for watching again. If I already said that, this is Milton Washington Tech 1999 signing off.